Hi, today we're going to be doing the 2015 PAT paper and looking at question 4. So let's start with question 4. Now question 4 asks you to evaluate the integral of 2x minus 6 multiplied by x minus 4 times x minus 2 all to the half between the values of 4 and 6. Now I think this integral can look quite intimidating at first because it's not immediately obvious what you should be doing and how to first go about solving it. Now I think the best thing to start off would be to do the obvious thing, and that would be to expand this bracketed term in the middle of the root. So if we do that, we get this is equal to the integral between 4 and 6 of 2x minus 6 times x squared, 4, 2 gives you minus 6x plus minus 2 times minus 4 giving you plus 8, all to the half dx. Now what some of you might spot is that in fact this term pre-multiplying the rooted expression is actually the derivative of the inside term. In which case, if you do spot this, you can just carry on through by integrating this, increasing the power and dividing by the reciprocal of the power as you normally do. But I don't think that's an immediately obvious thing to spot. So what you might want to do is to make a substitution. So let's say, let u equal, well, this substitution won't do you too much because it's going to turn it into a linear term of 2. Whereas this quadratic term might be a more useful substitution because we're going to get a 2x coming down and we're going to get a numerical term without an x here, and it might make sense. So let's let u equal x squared minus 6x plus 8, which gives us du equals 2x minus 6 when we differentiate this term above dx, or that dx equals 1 over 2x minus 6 du. Now, when we see this, we're very happy because we notice that it's actually in the integral already. So we're looking promising. So subbing this back into here, we get the integral, and remember the bounds are going to change because we've made the substitutions, so we'll evaluate those in a minute, of 2x minus 6 times 1 over 2x minus 6, coming in here, times our original term, x squared minus 6x plus 8, half du. So cancelling off and replacing our bracketed term with u, we get the integral of u to the half du. Now let's quickly evaluate our bounds. So when x equals 4, u equals, well, 4 squared is 16, minus 4 times 6, 24, plus 8 is 0. When x equals 6, u will equal 6 squared, 36, minus 6 times 6, 36, plus 8 equals 8. So we get this is actually the integral between 0 and 8. This is a simple integration, so we get that equal to 2/3 u to the 3 over 2, evaluated between 0 and 8, which is 2/3. Obviously the 0 term is going to disappear. So we get 8 to the 3 over 2, which is 2/3 of, well, square root of 8 is 2 root 2, so that all cubed. 2 cubed is 8 times 2, so 2 cubed is 8 times 2 is 16, so we get 16 over 3. 2 cubed is going to give you, root 2 cubed is going to give you root 2 squared, 2 times root 2. So we're going to get 2 times 8 over 3 times 2 root 2, which simplifies very nicely to give us 32 root 2 over 3.